Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Well, happy Sunday everybody. I hope you all are having an amazing day because today is Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is an open invite collaboration. It's conducted every Sunday at 7 p.m. and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and I am one of her co-hosts, Jean from Jean Home Decor and More. The other co-hosts are Deborah Cabassa Home Living and Buckeye Girl Wreaths and Things. So if you guys enjoy cooking, baking, and even if you don't like to cook or bake, you can do takeout, frozen food, breakfast meals, lunch meals. The holidays are coming up, so you might want to come on here and share or show off some of your baking dishes or whatever you planning to take over grandmama's house or whoever's house or your relative's house. You can share your recipes here with us. So, this is a good venue to do so. So please consider, joining the rest of us. Well, like I said, it's Quick and Easy Meals. And guess what, guys? I did just that today because I'm having company. I'm having some relatives come over, and they live it's still in the state of Maryland, but they live about 2 hours from me. So they'll be here in a couple of hours. And this has been such a crazy week, not necessarily in the best way, and I just did not feel like doing anything. So I have a friend who, I had a BJ's membership. I have a BJ's membership and a Sam's Club membership. I hadn't been to Costco in like years, and it's really not that far. I just stopped going because BJ's and Sam's Club is actually closer to me. But she kept raving over Costco. Oh, you gotta go to Costco. It's a step up. It's, just kind of, you want to upgrade. Let me upgrade you. So I said, well, let me join Costco. So a couple weeks ago, I joined Costco. And I thought to myself, since I don't feel like doing anything today, I'm like super lazy, I'm going to go to Costco and see what I can find to serve my guests. And that's what I did. So you guys can see that's really quick and easy, right? So, it's kind of pescatarian because you guys know I don't do a lot of meat. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you what I picked up from Costco to serve my guests. And I'm going to try to plate it. That's the intention, is to try to plate it for you. But sometimes when company comes, I get to I'm going over there, I'm thinking about other things, and I might forget all about it. So in case I do, please forgive me. But I just wanted to show you guys what I'm going to serve up to my guests from Costco, which is a quick and easy meal. So, hopefully I'll get a chance to get back to you and show you the meal plated, okay? Keep watching. Okay, guys, this is what I picked up from Costco. I got a nice fruit and cheese tray, and as you can see, that's the price. And I'm going to put this on a serving dish with some crackers. So I thought that was nice. So that's what I'm going to do. I already had the crackers, so that was easy. And then I picked up these marinated wild Alaskan salmon. And for 6 fillets, it was $23.99 at Costco. And for 2 pounds, I guess that's not too bad because salmon is quite expensive. Typically, I go to the Safeway here. I don't know where you guys live. There's all types of stores across the country, but it's safe to say that salmon is pretty expensive, regardless of where you are. Guess what we're going to have? Same thing we had last week, guys. I'm going to have some yellow rice. You can see I love that yellow rice. You see it going on down. It's going on down in the container. So I'm going to have some peas and rice. My husband went to the store to pick up some rolls. And then for dessert, we're going to have tiramisu. And I picked that up from Costco as well. And if there's a Costco near you, if it's the same as the one here in Maryland, these were on sale for $8.99. They were $3 off. And so there's 6 3-ounce containers in here. So this is more than enough for the company that we are having today. So actually, I think this is really a nice, healthy meal to serve to guests. So let me know what you think. If you guys like these types of videos, please consider to subscribe. I would love to have you join my channel. I really would. Give me a thumbs up. That would help me as well. Leave me a comment because it lets me know if you like these types of videos, if you like this type of content. But now I have mentioned Costco. I will say this about Costco compared to BJ's and Sam's Club. This is my opinion. Costco's does have a greater selection of prepared foods. Now, they did have some prepared foods like, little pinwheel sandwiches, taco dinners, that are already prepared that you can serve to guests. I didn't want to get anything like that, because sometimes everybody doesn't like tacos. So I thought that, and hopefully, I hope they like salmon. But I thought that I would try to stick with something that's a little bit healthy, which I did ask them if they had any food restrictions or food preferences or things that they absolutely didn't like. And they, my guest said, well, we eat just about anything. So this is what I picked up. I mean, typically if I have company, I will ask if anyone has food restrictions or if there's some preferences that they like or things that they don't like. So I thought that this was a safe landing right here. So let me know what you guys think. And I hope that you guys have